Let's put this on here. Like that. And then you can actually fold it over like that into the opposite way. And we have these little pieces left here that we can use to fill in the gaps. That'll work just perfect. There we go. See? Works just fine. And then let's do the other one. There we go. Let's put it here. Right against there. Take off the covering off of it. Okay. It's on there. Now I'm going to take that off completely. And then put it back in the opposite direction. And I need a little bit of a piece here, just like this. Put that on there, and then we'll use this piece to fill in the gap. Okay, so perfect. Now we have it everywhere. And what we're going to do, so these are already sticky. We already took off the covering off of them. We just have, okay, this one is also taken off. Just have this one side to do. There we go. Okay, so before we put it on there, we're going to put our little snowflakes and all kinds of stuff. So I have some of these to put on here. And remember, the white ones you're not going to see too well, so you might want to just put a few of those in there. Okay, then we're going to do actual circle ones. So I got some of the different blues here. Put a little bit of these ones in there. And then we'll do these blue ones here. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then just for the snow, sparkly stuff, I'm gonna have this glitter. It's kind of a chunky one, so we're gonna put it in here. It will go everywhere, so do be careful and keep that in mind. Just put it right in the middle where you would like it. And you can put as little or as much as you like. It's up to you. Okay, good enough, I think. Just gonna close it up and shake off any extra I have in here. Close it up. Okay, now this is a bit of a challenging part. Because you could actually put it this way, or you can put it right on the paper. So, actually I think what I'm going to do is try to put it right in the middle there before I attach it. Otherwise, I'm not going to make it straight. There we go. If it seems like there's not much, you can always add more before you put this on. So, gonna take a look and see. I might add a lot more snowflakes to it, I think. Some more of these two here. Okay, I think good enough. Okay, now think about where you want it. If you want it centered or if you're going to add some letters to it, then you need to put it a little bit higher. Okay. So there we go. So I'm gonna put it just about right here so I can do the actual Merry Christmas on there later, and then center it out as you want it to be and just glue it right on there. Make sure it's nice and straight, and maybe shake it out a little bit so it's got some of that. And now just make sure all the sides are really well stuck on there. And there you go. You got yourself a shaker card. It goes this way, that way, that way. Keeps moving around. Okay, that's a shaker card for you right there. Beautiful snowflakes, really sparkly, really stands out. And you can, like I said, you can put Merry Christmas. On one of my cards I had Merry Christmas, the other one didn't. So it's totally up to you for what occasion you want. And then if anything is really stuck in there, give it a good shake so it starts moving around, because it might have been all clumped up in one spot there. But there we go. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being with me, for learning how to make this. I'm glad I can show you and share some of the tips that I've learned. I've been doing this for about 5 years now that I've realized. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then also visit my shop to purchase any of these cards you see if you want to just purchase them. They are at lilyofthevel77.etsy.com. I'll also post the link at the bottom in the description of the video, so you can go through there. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment. Just make sure you're not posting anything rude or anything like that. But I'd love to hear your opinion, and if you want to see something that I can make for you, I'd love to try. So just let me know and we'll go from there. Also, I just want to let you know, I don't know when it's going to be the next video. I might be able to get one done before the holiday, before Christmas and New Year celebrations, but I don't know. There's a bit too much going on right now, so I was going to show you some of the cards that I made with the previous videos, but I decided to do a shaker card instead. And so just keep watching. If you subscribe, make sure to press the bell so you get notified when I do make a new video. It might be in the new year, right, in 2020. So if I don't see you until then, I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm so glad you're on this journey with me. Have a beautiful holiday, and I'll see you when I'll see you, hopefully soon. Thank you. Have a great rest of your night or day. Bye.